How to use Terra Luna wallet in Anchor protocol. The Terra network is built around Luna, which are the native coins of the blockchain and a bunch of different stable coins, with UST being by far the biggest. UST is actually a decentralized stable coin that can be used on various platforms to earn some yield and invest. So in this video, we're going to set up a Terra Station wallet, get some Luna onto that wallet, then stake the Luna for some passive income, and then use Anchor protocol with UST to earn some extra passive income. First off, we're going to come to Terra.money. So that's a website that you're going to want to go to download the Terra Station wallet. What we see here is that there's a few different versions. So there's a Chrome extension. We're going to download and use this later with Anchor protocol, but firstly we're going to have to download the actual version onto our computer so that we can use it for staking. And also swap some Luna tokens to UST. So I'm just going to click on the Windows logo to download that file onto my system and download and install it onto your system. It takes literally a few seconds depending on your internet speed. So we can come over here to the Terra wallet once it's downloaded. I've already got a wallet connected to the Windows version, but if you don't, you'll be met with this exact same screen. Then what you have to do now is just come up to the top left and it will have a connect icon. Click on that and you'll get some options. There's actually quite a few options right here. One is to connect a ledger hardware wallet if you have that. Another is to create a new wallet, and then you can just go through that. It's a very simple process of putting in a username and a password. And then they'll give you a 24-word key phrase. It's absolutely vital that you write this down and keep it somewhere safe, because that's essentially the password to your wallet. If you need to import your wallet to a different computer or something else, you'll need all that information. So keep this extremely safe, because if you lose it, then basically you lose complete access to your wallet as well. So keep that very, very safe. So once you have all of that set up, it'll take you through the main page. Up on the top left, you have my wallet name and my wallet address. Once you're in your wallet, you can see some data from your blockchain. So transaction volume and or staking returns. Once you have that, you can come to your wallet and then you can see some of the assets that you have in here. It'll show up here if you've got some Luna and UST. Your history is essentially all of your transaction history, so you can see what you've done in the past. If you want to vote on some proposals, you can come down to the Governance tab. If you have some Luna tokens, you can vote on various proposals right here. What I want to do now though is deposit some Luna tokens into the wallet. So come up to the top left and just click copy on your wallet address. And then that's the address that you're going to use to send some Luna tokens to. So I'm going to go over here to my Binance. I've got some Luna tokens in my Binance to send over. If you haven't got an account, you can use your currency to go and buy some Luna tokens. If you want to just choose a coin, you can paste your address right here and it should automatically detect that you have a Terra network address. So that's fine. Then all you have to do is go and choose the amount you want to withdraw and it'll withdraw it to that Terra network address. This process is actually pretty quick. It usually doesn't take any longer than 3 minutes for you to receive it in your Luna wallet. If you come over here to your wallet, it'll show you the reflected amount that you've transferred. So that's all been deposited and it's all working out. The next thing we want to do here is go to swap some of our Luna into UST. So we can come over here to the swap system right here and it'll detect which assets you have. You can see the current exchange rates and the Luna price over the last 15 minutes, and you can change that up to 1 day just like so. Then what we can do is come to swap coins on the bottom left. Choose the coin that you want to have in your wallet. Obviously, it'll only give you the options of the balances that you have, but you can swap that into many other different coins so you can see all of the different stable coins that exist in the Terra network. I'm going to choose UST, though you can see a lot of different assets all on the Terra network. So we have AMC and lots of different ones like METH, which is wrapped ETH. So I'm just going to click on UST. You can see that right at the top, obviously, because it's the most popular one. And you can just choose how much Luna you want to put in. So let's say 3, for example. You'll be able to choose this price. You can see the trading fee and everything. So you can click the next button right here and then that will trade that Luna into UST for you. And you'll have that UST on the system that you can use in various other ways. What we're going to do now though is actually move on to staking Luna. So if you have Luna tokens that you don't want to swap into a stable coin, come out to staking and there's a few important bits here that we need to know first. As you can see, there are a lot of validators here on screen. So these are the monikers or the names of the validators. These are the people or organizations that are running nodes in the blockchain, and it's important to choose the right one. So the first one is that you can actually self-delegate if you have a node. Now, we don't have a node, so we're just going to choose this. The second is just looking at this important information right here. So the voting power. This tells you how big a validator is, the higher their voting power. Essentially, the more coins that they have and the bigger that they are. And self-delegation. This is telling you how much of their own coins they're actually delegating in the system as well. And in the validator commission, if a validator is new, they might have a lower commission to kind of attract you into using them. And then maybe more established validators may up their commission based on the fact that they have a track record of producing a good return for their investors. An important thing to note on Terra is that slashing can occur. So if you choose a bad validator who doesn't keep uptime or produces malicious blocks for some reason, they're going to have their coins slashed. And that means you're going to have a portion of your coins slashed as well. So it's really important to choose a good, reliable validator. A way that we can look for good, reliable validators is by looking for the check icons next to their names. So you can see all these validators have ticks right here. This tells me that they have a profile on the Terra network. It's like the verified check marks on Instagram and Twitter. Then what we'll have to do is click on one of the validators to see their information. You can view their profile if you want to, and all of the information is just kind of laid out a little bit different here. If you choose a validator that you want, click on Delegate and choose how many coins that you want to delegate to them. So let's say 1 Luna. Click Next, and really important here is if you want to withdraw your Luna at any time, there's a 21-day lockup period, so just keep that in mind. If you want to press Withdraw, it'll take basically 21 days to get to you, and during that time you won't be earning any rewards. So it's very important to know that as well. Also, make sure to leave a small amount of Luna in your wallet to pay for fees when you withdraw because you need to pay for those fees. You can pay fees in UST or other coins if you have them in your wallet as well, so you don't specifically need Luna. You just need some sort of balance in your account. You can see the fees that we need to pay in Luna right here, and then confirm this with the password that you entered when you set up your account. Just click on Delegate right here and that should be done for you. That is going through onto the blockchain. So the amount of Luna is being staked to this validator. Once you've been staking for a certain amount of time, you'll get a dashboard that will show you how many validators that you're staking with. You don't need to choose just one. Then also you can view all of your bonuses and rewards. So this will obviously be filled out depending on how many validators you've chosen. And you can see now all the details are right here. Now what I want to do is come over to Chrome and download the Terra Station wallet on my Chrome browser because I want to go and use Anchor Protocol, which is an application. So I need a Chrome wallet to do that. Now I can set up my own existing wallet to the Chrome browser. Just come over to the Chrome web store right here and search for Terra Station. You should see a lot of users right here, so don't download a fake one. Come and download that to your Chrome browser and you can see that I've already got the wallet right here. Actually, the Chrome wallet looks exactly the same as the wallet that you download on your computer. It'll have all the information that you need to log into this by recovering your wallet. So that 24-word key phrase, enter that and then you'll get this. Now we need some UST in our wallet to go and use the Anchor Protocol to earn some extra yield. We can do that just in the swap feature in the wallet like we saw before, and you can swap Luna into UST. What I actually like to do is go and use KuCoin, because you can get UST on KuCoin, and you don't have to swap it through Luna, which can change in value, which is something that I don't want to do. You can use fiat currency, or you can use US dollar tether to swap into UST. What I want to do is essentially exactly the same thing. So I'll buy some and then send it over to my wallet as we did before. So I won't go through it again. But now what I want to do is actually deposit this onto the Anchor Protocol. You can't do that with the computer-based wallet, and that's why you need the Chrome wallet. Come to Anchor Protocol, click on Web App. It will just launch the web app for you. Then you can see the Anchor Protocol right here. We can see a lot of different information, so essentially all that we need to know is the UST on the system, and total borrow is going up right here, and the total collateral on the Anchor Protocol is at an all-time high, as you can see right here. There are two assets here, which is BLuna and BETH. These are wrapped versions of those tokens. It doesn't really matter to us. We're not going to be borrowing any money, but what we want to do is connect our wallet, deposit some UST, and then earn that passive income. The way that you do that is you come up to the top right hand corner right here and click on Connect Wallet. Your wallet is already on Chrome, so it's just going to easily connect that for you. Then we can come to deposit, so we can click on Earn. And you can see that currently for UST on the system, the interest is 19.46%. So that's basically a 20% yield on UST. Now, what we have to do is just click deposit right here, and it will automatically show you how much USTs you have in your wallet, because it's all connected up. Just click the amount, click max, then type in how much you want to deposit. Click proceed, then you have to put in your spending password very easily, and that will let me go through in like 20 to 30 seconds, and you'll have USD deposited onto the system, earning 20% yield. If you're happy with that, click on deposit, and then if you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw. And then what will happen is that UST will go back essentially into your Terra Station wallet, and then you can swap it into another token, or take it out and swap it into US dollar Tether. If you send some tokens over an exchange, we can come back to the wallet option right here, and you can see send. So if you want to send it over to Binance, for example, click send, then you get your address and paste it here, click next, pay those fees, and that will come out into whatever wallet you want to send it to. So on that note, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, go ahead and leave a like and maybe even a comment down below about what you think. We have tons more videos coming up, so make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.